Google as default search. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. Today, you'll learn how to quickly set Google as your default search engine in Chrome. Enjoy videos like this? We've got more similar content on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright, let's get started. Currently, Google isn't my default. If I type anything up here, it opens Bing, Microsoft's search engine. How do I set Google as the default search in Chrome? It's super easy, folks. Click these three dots up top, scroll down, and click Settings at the bottom. In Settings, go to the side menu and click on Search Engine. So here I have Microsoft Bing. To change the search engine, click Change and pick your preferred one. In my case, I want Google. Just click Set as Default below. And there you go, folks. Google is now your default search engine. Now if I type here, it'll open Google as the default search. Quick and easy. Remember, you can support the channel by clicking the thanks button and donating any amount. Did you manage? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.